Oh, come on. Baby. 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 Baby, bring your face. Baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Baby, more. Baby. 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 Now, both of you, down on your knees. Get down on your knees. I have been a fool all along. But today, all that will end.
I beg of you, Nightmaker, spare our lives, please. Spare our lives, please. Please. Don't shoot, please. Please.
Talk! Say something! Talk! Say something!
I'll talk. Nightmaker, I hope you forgive me if I talk. I hope you forgive me. Nightmaker, I never loved you from the onset. I never loved you. I only got married to you because of the pressure coming from my father. I just wanted peace to reign. In Nightmaker. Oh God, here. It's the love of my life. And nothing can separate us. Because we are under an oath never to part ways. Ogadi and I have been together for a long time.
You don't want him, yet you accept gifts from him.
My love, they are mere gifts. Nothing attached.
Nothing attached?
Yes.
You sure?
Very sure.
It will hurt me so bad that after all you and I have been through, after all we've built together, some man from nowhere would just come to take you away.
My love, why are you talking like this? Listen, my parents can do whatever they like. As for me, I am not getting married to that old man. It's not possible.
With all this pressure your father is mounting on you, are you sure someday you will not succumb?
No.
Never?
Never. No matter what, I would never leave you. Never.
What did you just do? What are you doing?
This is a sign of my love for you. To prove to you that I am going nowhere.
This is to prove to you that I'm yours now and forever. Now and forever.
He's not a herbal doctor like you all call him. Everything was planned by us. Naiweke, if you must know, I have a seed growing inside me. I am pregnant for Ogadi. So, if you want to shoot me, if you want to kill me, just go ahead and kill me already. At least I will be dying in the arms of the man that I truly love.
have seen it now. If he come back here, blood everywhere. Blood. He will fight around the way. Need to fight another day. Not be this time. I don't get used. Come and take me. At least I gonna love you for it. Thunder and brimstone, blood everywhere. War everywhere. Today that where are they? I said where are they? I be there. Where they one day before? They are not gonna do their marriage, of course. They're gonna enjoy her. Hey.
Which route? Which path did they take?
In the fire route. Now the food tree they take go. The food tree they on top land they do love. In the fire route.
Chimwe, this is no time for jokes.
I dey laugh.
I said which route did they take? Oh, you think I blame you? Are you sure?
Where do we go from here?
Well, I don't know, but let's look for a place to rest.
Rest?
Rest. Come with me.
Nana, has it gotten to the point that you walk past me without noticing my presence? Eh?
Mazinweke, the last time I remembered, you warned me against anything that concerns you or your family. That's why I'm walking past you on my own peacefully.
Okay, that's by the way. Did you see my wife and that good-for-nothing boy Ogadi as you were coming?
I didn't see anybody. Excuse me.
Obi.
Yes, love.
You know I love you. Right?
Of course I know you love me. You have proven beyond words that you're the light in my world. I never stopped loving you.
I want you to know that no matter what, I'll be here with you.
I love you.
I love you so much.
I know.
I'm going to pull this through.
I know. Of course.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, of course I heard it. We need to leave. I think it's coming after us.
Really?
I think let's go this way. Yeah.
So which way?
This way.
Who is my in-law? What is the matter?
Ibeneme, don't just pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Where is that daughter of yours?
Nanyueke, why don't you calm down and explain to us what the problem is?
Okay. Well, if you must know, that daughter of yours brought her lover boy into my house. As I speak with you now, both of them have absconded to God knows where.
Unbelievable.
You had better provide her. Else, next time I come back here, I won't be this lenient. Nweke is not a man of vain words. You better ask people about me. Ask about me.
Nai, Biko, take it easy, oh. Hey, where could she have gone to? What is wrong with this girl?
Chewaka.
Ibeneme, have you come with my money?
Please, I know how you feel. I've just come to beg you, please. Let it not be as if I have forgotten. I have it in mind. But I come to beg you to please give me more time. Let me make up. I will pay you this money. You just believe me. You know we are friends. I can't deceive you.
With this same sweet mouth of yours, you can say anything. Ibeneme, I know you very well. Now, what more time do you need, Ibeneme? When you came to borrow this money, you never stipulated to me that it would take you this long to pay up.
I know I didn't do that. I didn't stipulate it. Because I never knew it would turn rough to me. Right now it is very, very rough on me. Please, just give me more time.
Ibeneme, remember I gave you this money so you can perform your mother's burial rite. Now that it's time for you to pay up, suddenly things are very tough on you. Okay?
No, generally things are tough. Please, it is not as you are thinking. Things are really tough. Just give me a little time. I will pay you, please.
You know my problem with your request. The more time is scattering my head. I just can't fathom it.
It's not like that. Please, just give me a little more time. Swear, I will pay you.
Do you know my problem with your request? It's that little more time. It is scattering my head. Yes! Okay, because you make them. Give me my money.
Okay. Don't forget we are friends. Don't let this money. Okay, we can exchange this now, please. Let us not fight because of it. We are friends.
Ibeneme, you and I have been friends for a very long time. I'm just beginning to see that you are abusing our friendship. You will not like what I will do to you next time I come here asking for my money. Have I done wrong to assist you?
Like, I know you very well. I know you very well. I'm not a stranger to you. Or you a stranger to me. I know what you are capable of doing. Okay, please. I'm pleading for more time. I will give you your money. Even I'm planning to sell my remaining plot of land. But the proceeds from that land may not even be enough to pay you your money. That's my problem.
Sell it anyhow. I don't care. Don't make me come back here asking for my money. Do you hear me?
Papa, the water you asked for.
Is it now that I asked you for this water? What was keeping you there all this while?
Papa, I was washing the cup inside. I'm sorry.
Get out of my presence.
Papa, you don't need the water again.
I said go!
Actually, I can write off this debt on one condition.
You can write off the debt?
Yes.
What? So what condition?
If only you allow me to marry your daughter, Aboma. You know, since I lost my wife, I have been a lonely man. I never envisaged in my life again that I would think of getting married. But seeing your daughter now, the feelings just came flashing back. Now, Maria, she'll make a wonderful wife. It is up to you to convince her.
Is this from your heart?
From the bottom of my heart. She's so beautiful. Hey!
Okay. Do you know why I asked you if it is from your heart?
Why?
But this is not the first time you are seeing my daughter.
But this is the first time I took a good look at your daughter. You know, proper look. My God, okay.
Is that so?
She's everything I want in a woman. And even more.
If it is this, if this is the only thing I will do, you will write off this debt. Count it down.
Now you are talking. Now you are talking.
But I want to beg you for one thing. You will give me a little time to talk to her, to be able to convince her. Trust me. Am I sure that this man, Weke, has not used my daughter for money rituals because of that idiot?
9. What did I hear you say? Did I hear you very well? 9, why are you saying things like this?
You heard me very well. Very, very well. Look, I have been warning that boy, Ogade. I've warned him severally to stay away from my daughter. He wouldn't listen. To the extent of visiting her, even in the marital home. Is that right? Look, I'm going to deal with him. Personally, I will deal with him. He will know who I am.
9. 9.
What is it?
Where are you going with that?
Stop asking me silly questions. Stop it!
Hey.
This bush looks so scary. I love, let's go home.
Home?
Yes, home.
What are you talking about? Weke must have gone to your father to pollute his mind towards us, and you're asking us to go home. I know that man, he will stop at nothing to get you back.
My love, how sure are you about that?
I know that man. I know that man. That man will stop at nothing to get you back.
Let's just go first. You never can tell. Let's just go. I'm tired. I'm tired and this place is scary.
You really want us to go back?
Yes, I want us to go back.
Alright, if you insist, let's go.
I insist. So, which way? We just pointed. Let us go that way. How sure are you about that way?
Have I ever misled you?
asking you.
What is it? What has my son done again?
Oh. What has their son done again? You're asking me questions. Eh? Now listen. I have been warning that your useless son to stay away from my own daughter. From my daughter! But he wouldn't listen. Eh? Now go in there. Go now and bring him out. Or I do that for you.
But, Nani, my son has not returned since he left.
You look good.
Right? Thank you. So how are you?
I'm fine.
Where's Mama?
She's at the backyard.
Mama?
Where are you going dressed like this?
I'm heading to Mama to see my friend Ijele.
But how come I don't know this your friend all this while? Or Kamsi? Do you? No, Mama.
Mama, it's not all my friends that you know. You don't know Ijele. It's my friend. He stays in Auma, and that's where I'm going to.
But you never told us that you're going to Amuma today to see him.
Mama, I don't even know I'll be going to Auma today. He just came up. Don't worry, when I come back, I'll tell you more about it, eh? Please. Take care of Mama. When I come, I'll explain things to you, okay? Mama, take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mama.
Mama, something tells me Ogadi is not going to Amuma like he said.
Me too.
He better stays back there. Because if he comes back to this village, I will feed his bone to the animals. Have you heard me? And if you try to hide him, you are going to face my own wrath. Nonsense.
Hey.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I couldn't. Why is your husband saying all this to I and my son? Is it because we are poor? I couldn't.
Don't talk like that. Eh? Don't take his words to heart. You know how my husband behaves. Stop crying. I'll go home and talk to him. Oh, please. I am really sorry. You should take care of yourself. Let me go home. Oh, please stop crying. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Mama. Mama, what do we do now? Everyone in this village knows how deadly Mazi Beneme is.
Hey, come see. Your brother will not kill me. He will not. Yes.
Hey, will you come back here? Come back here! What were you doing back there? What were you doing back there till now? With that witch and the daughter?
9. Urema is not a witch.
Please shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth! Or I shut it up for you permanently. Are you mad? What's wrong with you?
9. Why are you taking out the aggression you had on Ogadi and our daughter on me?
Because it's your fault. It's your fault. You failed in your responsibilities.
More.
You couldn't bring that girl up in the right way. Yes.
Nani, Biko, don't blame me. Is she not also your daughter? Is she not?
She's not.
Please excuse me.
It's okay. Just pray that I don't set my eyes on her. If I do, I will cut off her legs. So at least she won't have legs to begin to walk about, especially going into that stupid boy. Don't worry.
told you that man Wenke was of no good. Now look at it. That man Wenke was of no good. Look at it. He has gone to poison the mind of your parents.
Obin, what do we do now? Hey, what do we do?
Well, obviously you're not welcome here. Perhaps we should go to my place. I think it's safer.
Your place? What makes you think he has not also gone to pollute your own family?
He would do no such thing. My place is safer right now.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
What is true?
So, you are harboring Aboma. Okay, is this the Ijele you went to see?
What are you talking about, Mama? At least welcome us. Give me time to explain.
Explain what, Ogadi? Explain what? Wait a minute. I hope no one saw you people entering this compound.
No one saw me.
No one saw us.
I'm afraid there is trouble, a very big one.
What trouble are you talking about?
So after all I have done for this girl and her family, this is how they want to pay me back. Child, I should have known that this is all a trick. She must have succeeded, but I will show them that Mweke is not a man to toy with. They will hear from me.
Nine Wekos, mama! Wekos. Nine Wekos. That's your missing wife.
Yeah, Chinwe or whatever they call your name. I don't have time for your jokes now. Please.
You're going to mind now. I do want to go console you. Eh? When they find your missing wife, let's say you be partial widower. Shock you.
Chinwe, before I close my eyes and open it, you have left this scene, this place, this minute. Now! I said, leave this place!
Can they go? I go die for what I don't know. Records, mama! Lavi, lavi! Lavi, lavi! Records!
Well, I don't know what trouble you're talking about, but as we speak, she's carrying my child.
Chimo! Ogadi! Ogadima! What did you just say?
I said as we speak, she's carrying my child.
Ogadi! You will not kill me.
What do you mean by I will not kill you?
You will not kill me at all!
Mama, everyone in this village knows about my love for Aboma. It's not a new thing. A marriage to that Funweke was never going to work.
Ogadima! Ogadima!
If they love each other like he said, let's support them and make it work.
What do you know? What do you know about marriage?
Mama, please don't shut her out. She just spoke the truth. No one can separate us. She's carrying my child, as you can see.
Ogadima, Biko, lekwa bom na abo, ajadro kwa Biko.
I don't know why you're crying. You should be happy you have a grandchild.
You know what? Please, please, you both should start leaving this compound now before any other eye sees you people. Please.
Why? Why, Mama?
Because your father threatened to kill my son. Yes, yes. I don't want any trouble, please.
Home? Oh, Daddy.
That sounds like my friend's voice.
What do you want to do?
Let's all come out. Come on, let me go and see her. It's a berry.
Wait. Let me go and see her myself. Before you put all of us into more troubles. Please. Nobody should stay here. Nobody should come out.
Oh, Daddy.
Yvonne. So you are the one?
Yes, Mama.
Welcome, my daughter.
Thank you. I came to look for Ogadi and Aboma. Are they here?
Ogadi and Aboma?
Yes.
No, they are not. Wait. I thought they said Aboma got married to Awekema. Why not go to her husband's house and look for her?
Yes, I know she got married to an Aweke man. But I understand that Ogadi ran away with her. And everybody has been in search of them since, including Nweke, the man she got married to. So, I felt maybe they came here.
No, they did not come here. And as a matter of fact, I have not seen my son for a while now. I don't know.
Okay. In that case, I should be on my way now. But please, in case you see them, tell them I came looking for them.
I will, my daughter. I will tell them. Well, go well, eh?
Okay, ma. Udo.
Mama, what was the meaning of that?
What is it?
Why are you stopping Aboma from seeing her friend?
Oh, my son, it's for our own good. You know what? You both should start leaving as soon as possible. Please, I don't want Ibeneme nor Nweke to come and see you people here. I don't want any of their troubles, please. Please.
Mama, even you?
Yes, Ifeme. I don't want to die. Neither do I want to lose you. Please. You push your leave.
Okay. I told you this will happen. Please, let's just leave.
Don't go to anywhere. Don't go, don't.
Aboma.
My children, may God protect and guide you including the unborn child. Mama. Mama, how could you? Mama, how could you? Mama, how could you chase your own away simply because you are afraid of death? How? My daughter, you will not understand. It's not intentional. It's for their own safety. Mama, this is not fair. It is not fair at all. This is not fair.
Hello. It's obvious we've gone on exile. Are we going to continue living in this forest?
Of course not. Very soon I am going to fight back. I will show that man that I am not a coward. And I have never been a coward all my life.
You're not going to fight anyone. Just keep being calm like you've been. Very soon everything will be over.
I don't know how long I can wait.
Everything will be fine, I know that for sure. I'm only tired of being in this forest.
Do you know I don't have any other person here in the house except you? The only one I have in the face of this earth. Do you want to think yourself to death because of our rebellious daughter? Eh?
No. My daughter is not a rebellious child. And she will never be.
Eh. Your daughter is not a rebellious child. It's okay. Now tell me, where is she? Tell me where she is. If she is not exactly what I have described her to be. Where is she?
Nai, please. I want you to bring my child back home. Even if it means sending the youths to go and bring her, I don't care. All I want is for my daughter to be home and safe with me.
It's okay. So now you have admitted that our daughter is a rebellious daughter. It's a rebellious child. Because I can't believe you are the one engineering her to do all this nonsense. Or are you? Eh? Now calm down. Yeah? I'm going to bring her back home very soon. Stop thinking. Stop thinking. You are the only one I have, please.
Are you sure you bring her home?
I will. I'm not joking. I'll bring her home. At least because of you. Yeah? Take it easy. Stop thinking, okay? Now come, let's get inside. Get up. Calm down. I will bring her back home, okay?
Since you don't even old finish, eh? So you still think about your missing wife, Aboma, eh? And she don't go. Just let her go now. By the way, I bring good news for you.
What good news? Do you know where she is?
No. See how she know day now, eh? Me I dey here for you to always make you day happy. Eh? Afterwards, before she come, we dey happy. You get this new dance step where I learn. You go like am. The soundtrack time be this one. I never entered the music.
Chinwe, this is no time for jokes. I'm talking about my wife missing here, and you're here cracking up.
No, and the second one still there. You go like
now. Leave my presence.
Mama tell me, don't tell me, tell me, Mama tell me, someone's always crying. So, it's shocking.
Chinwe, get out of my face now. I said leave my presence now.
Hey, Wike. If you start going to cheer you up, Wike.
Chinwe, even if I am to do anything with you, tell me where will I start? Which area?
Man, Wike, I'm your friend, though. Now, Wike. It shock you.
Chinwe, please go.
Girl, I good they go kill me.
I should leave my wife and follow you. Huh? You must be out of your mind. Leave our mama. I'm so begging. No digging, is it? Okay. What have you come here, you traitor? What have you come here to do?
You can call me any names as much as you choose. I come here for my daughter. Where is my daughter I gave to you in marriage?
Oh,
you hear me?
So instead of you to bring the bride price I paid on your daughter's head and the money you're owing me, you're here asking me her whereabouts.
What money are you talking about?
You're mad.
What bride price are you talking about? Listen now and listen good. I give you only 2 days. 2 days to provide my daughter. There shall be war between
2 days is too far. As for me, let the war begin now.
Oh, you want to fight?
Yes, let it begin.
Come down.
And you think I'm afraid of you? Let the war begin.
Come down.
Hey, this is A and B.
Yes.
So see yourself out of this.
A, B, C. We don't fight, Sabi. Wait, no. What are friends for?
What are you doing?
A, B, C. A. If you know say you fit beat B, knock this out. You're serious?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Get out.
Back. Let me walk begin. Yes. Back up. Yes.
Let's go.
Back up. Yes. Head him.
You think you
can?
Head that. I'm just.
No, you ain't get. Fight for love. Yes.
What do you think you can do?
Yes.
That is why we're in this bush.
We have no place to go. We can't even go back to our village.
That is okay. I'll take both of you to my village. Precisely my house. So that both of you can leave this bush. Because it's too dangerous for mortals like you. I think that's the best thing we should do.
Thank you very much, sir. We don't even know you.
Okay, I'll tell you a little about myself so that you don't think I'm a spirit. My name is Agbalusia Ingene. I'm a known hunter. And my wife died many years ago during childbirth. So I live with my only daughter.
We're sorry to hear that.
Yes, we're sorry to hear that.
That is in the past.
Thanks for your offer, but can I have 1 minute? We will be right back.
Go ahead.
Thank you. Come with me. What do you think about his offer?
Okay. From the way he talks, I would say he's a nice man. Let's follow him.
Let's follow him?
Yes. Besides, I am tired of this bush. And we've not even had anything good to eat.
In other words, we should follow him to Achala, someone we don't even know.
It's not like we have a better choice, do we? Let's go. Please.
Alright, let's go. I think we can follow you to Achala.
That is good. My only interest is that you leave this bush because it's not safe for you.
Thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Come with me.
You are the sun that brightens my heart.
You are the one that comforts my soul.
When I feel your touch, you bring peace to me.
I will never let you go.
Since you returned from your friend's house, you've not been yourself. Did anything go wrong there?
Everything went wrong. Everything went wrong. Can you imagine? This man that calls himself Mweke fought me. He fought me for nothing. Simply because I was looking for my missing daughter.
Why would he do that? Eh?
He did even more than that. He did. He poured a lot of insult on me. Mweke.
What is wrong with that man? Why would he do such a thing? Is he alright? And we ain't any eh?
There's no problem. Don't panic. That I will tell him that I am a man. I, Ibeneme, nobody steps on me and goes free. I will show him. I will teach my lesson.
Something wrong with that man.
God, we shall see it.
Papa, well, you're welcome.
Thank you, my daughter.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much. This is my daughter. The one I told you about.
She's such a beautiful girl. Thank you. You're welcome.
How will it? These are strangers I met in the bush when I went hunting. They are here to seek solace for the meantime before returning to their village.
Okay, Papa. You're welcome once again. You're welcome.
How will you please go in and get them food? I'm sure they must be hungry.
Extremely. Okay. Please, please come and have a seat. Biko, come and have a seat. Let me get you something to eat.
This is my house. Please, feel free.
You just touched the tail of a tiger. Eh? Ibeneme had the guts to fight me in my own compound. No problem. I will take the fight back to you. Let's see who will win. All I have to do is reinforce myself and return to you. The battle line has been drawn. Ibeneme can know them. You hear from me. You hear from me.
How sure are you that Deogati and Aboma are fine wherever they are?
I know my son. Yes. He is as strong and brave as your late father. And I believe wherever he is now, he's okay.
I hope so too. But I still insist you go and find out from Akune if she has seen them. Where? It is necessary.
You have a point there. I will go and inquire to know my son's whereabouts.
Please.
Yes, I'll go. I will.
Abugi Bobby Mo.
Oga dimman kemo, Bobby Mo.
Mama Malicham, Abugi Bobby Mo lay.
Oga dimman woko magibun kemo.
Mama, Sansagi Bobby Mo.
Oga dimmu tamo, Isabuga Mo.
Malicham, Nani Bobby Mo.
Oga dimma mo, Ibun kemo.
Papa, where did you brought those people from? Because obviously they look like people who haven't eaten in days.
Yes, that's what they told me, and I believe them.
Papa, they look so happy together. Are they husband and wife?
Don't worry, my daughter. With time, they are going to tell you their stories themselves.
It is so fast.
Abugi Bobby Mo.
Oga dimman kemo, Bobby Mo.
Mama Malicham, Abugi Bobby Mo lay.
Oga dimman woko magibun kemo.
Mama, Sansagi Bobby Mo.
Oga dimmu tamo, Isabuga Mo.
Malicham, Nani Bobby Mo.
Oga dimma mo, Ibun kemo. You are the sun that brightens my heart, yo. Obimo, Obimo, Kemo.
You are.
Why are you disguised in this way?
Mazi Beneme wants to kill me. I had to disguise so he wouldn't see me.
That is true, that is true. That man is very deadly.
That man is the most dangerous man I've ever seen.
Exactly.
Where is Mama?
Mama just left to Mazi Beneme's house.
To do what?
We were worried about you. We did not know what else to do, so Mama decided to go there and inquire from them if they have seen you or Agboma.
Well, we have been staying in Achala for a while now. A certain hunter saved us. I've been wearing one clothes, so I decided to come back home to see if I can pack up some clothes.
That's not a problem at all. Let us go.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Do not speak of this to anyone.
I cannot.
Do not.
Bye. Bye bye. Hey. Akunne. You are there? Yes. No. Take him.
I don't know what.
I know. No.
Please, where is your husband?
He's not at home. He went to your house. Didn't you see him?
To my house?
Mm-hmm.
How? What happened? Hope all is well.
As usual, he went to see your son.
My son?
Your son, oh.
My son is not back yet, oh. And as a matter of fact, he is the reason I am here. I want to know if they have visited.
I haven't set my eyes on any of them.
Hey, Chimo. Okamsije. Hey, oh God, you will not kill me. Oh, please come back to your mother. Come back to your mother. Where is him now? Huh? Hey. What is all this? Are you sure what you carried will be enough for you?
Well, I hope so.
Okay. Please take good care of yourself, please.
I will.
Okay.
Come see. Take care of yourself.
I will.
Take care of Mama.
I will.
I'm sure this will be over soon.
I hope so too.
Alright.
I will. Greet Abba for me.
I will.
Okay.
Alright, take care.
Be good, oh? Take care of yourself.
Hey, wait. Did you see any young man, tall and dark as you were coming this direction? A dark man in complexion with beards, tall. Did you see anyone?
I did not see anyone.
Yeah? It's okay. You can go. Thank you.
Thank you.
Who is here? Who is here? No one in this house?
Now you're welcome.
Save your greetings. Where is our brother?
My brother is not around. We have not seen him at all.
Liar! Look at it! Look at it! Written all over you! You're a liar!
Nanya, I am not lying. I swear. I'm not lying. My brother is not around. We have equally been searching for him. He's not around.
Hey, you! Go inside this house. Search even under the bed. Search everywhere. Yes.
Nanya, he's not.
the house.
Hey, he's not around.
You! Go to the back.
Don't
Search everywhere!
Don't pour my pot of unubu soup.
Pour everything.
I just made it.
Can destroy anything. It doesn't care. Search everywhere.
Is he inside? No, he's not. Oh God is nowhere to be found. So what do we do? Let's go and tell Nine. Okay, let's go.
Yes, where is he?
Mazi, he is nowhere to be found around this compound.
Meaning what? Did you search there very well?
Nine. I even ransacked the whole house.
Even under the bed?
He's nowhere to be found.
Nanya, I told you.
You want to make fool of me? Shut up your mouth! You told me what? Now listen. Provide him. You people should provide him. Provide him. Provide him. How many times have I said it? Provide him. Because because I'm going to deal. It is going to be disastrous for you people. Let's go. Let's go.
find him?
There's no trace of them anywhere.
What do you mean no trace? Such incompetence. Did you check the swamp area?
We did. We searched everywhere. We searched everywhere in this bush. We couldn't find them. Or am I lying?
Talk now. Why are you asking me? Were we not together? We've searched the whole of this bush. We couldn't find them.
Silence!
If
that be the case, then we must meet Iche Ibeneme.
Oyangwa.
Go to the back of that plantain. Go there. They might be hiding there, idiots.
Now, I swear to God, when I get hold of Agadi, I'll chew him raw.
Action, guys, go. Yeah, here. Where is he?
Nine.
Where is he? I'm asking you.
Nine, we have searched everywhere in this bush. I mean, he is nowhere to be found.
He's nowhere to be found. You are all lazy. Lazy idiots. Why must you tell me they are nowhere to be found? Did he develop wings and fly away?
Mazi, all what we ask is just to give us one more chance. And we promise you we'll get hold of him. And when we do, he will not get away with it.
Nai Beneme, I strongly believe Ogadi is not in this bush. Yes, because we've searched thoroughly. Now you know what we can do. Ogade. Ogade. I will get hold of you. You can never step Python's tail and go scot-free. I will chew you raw. Let's go.
That's so beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Don't worry. When everything subsides and we return to our village, I'd like to invite you. Hey! Yes. At least come and take a look at how does it. To know how it looks.
That would be so lovely of you. Thank you. Yes. I can't wait to come to your village. I've heard so much about your village.
Really?
Yes. Can I suggest something to you?
Of course. Go ahead. Anything.
Please, why don't you speak with my father to accompany you to your village? I'm quite sure if my father talks to your father and that's Nainweke, I'm sure they will forgive both of you. It's just a suggestion.
You have a point. How come I never thought about this?
Thank you.
I know you both need some privacy. I'll be inside, please.
Okay.
So come tell me.
Anyway, your son has been kicking so well.
Right?
Yeah, just that he missed you.
Oh, I see you're enjoying her company.
Oh, baby, we can say that again. Awola is such a friendly person.
Right?
Yes, just discussing something before you walked in.
I'm glad you find her interesting.
Yes, I do.
I brought her some new clothes.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Why don't we just go inside and change?
You know you look so fun in this year.
I had to. Got it. Thank you.
Wait, you mean Ibeneme came here with the youth to search my compound?
What? I wish you were here to see what that man did. He scattered everywhere. They went in from the front door and came out through the back door. That's how they were scattering everywhere.
Huh?
Yes.
Hey! Ibeneme! You are looking for my trouble, oh. Ibeneme, you are looking for my trouble, oh. You are looking for my trouble. What is all this now?
Do I know? Do I know?
But that is by the way. So, how is Ogadi? Is he okay?
Yes, Mama. Ogadi is fine.
Okay. Did you in any way ask him where we can locate them?
I did not.
And you didn't bother to ask?
Mama, I was carried away with the excitement of seeing him. Such question did not even cross my mind.
You're such a foolish girl. Yes! So, you are trying to tell me that your brother that we have been looking for all this while came here. You didn't even bother to ask him where we can locate him. Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Mama, I am sorry. I was so happy to see him that I forgot to ask.
You better sorry for yourself. Foolish girl.
Mama, I said I'm sorry. Mama, I am sorry.
My love, Awile made a very beautiful suggestion. I believe it will work if we give it a trial.
What suggestion?
She suggested we plead with her father to follow us to our village and beg my father, as well as Nweke, to forgive us. Obim, listen, I am sure this will work. Especially knowing that he's a stranger from another village. They'll listen to him. Please, let's give it a trial. Oh?
What is it? No, I am going to show them and Nweke or whatever he calls himself that I am not a coward. Yes, it's either he kills me today or I will kill him. I'm ending this today.
No. Hey!
Where are you?
Please, hold him. Don't let him leave.
Calm down. Oh, Naya Bolusi, I've had enough of this nonsense. Enough is enough. It is either I kill that man or he kills me today. The man is so sure he can stand me in a fight. Why is he doing this to me?
We know he can't stand you, but please calm down.
Yes.
My son, calm down, please. Please, my son, calm down.
You're a strong man, we know.
Please, my son.
Butsu.
Allow me!
My son. Please, my son. Matters like this are usually handled with wisdom. I know you are great as a result of how you have been treated lately. My son, you need to take things easy. Everything will be well soon. I can assure you of that.
Naya Bolusi, how long will I continue like this? How long will I continue to run away from my village like I'm a thief? I've asked them to allow me pay Aboma's dowry so that I can make her my wife proper. But they would not allow me, even when they know that I can take care of her comfortably with my fishing business.
It's okay. My love, it's okay. Look at me. Look at me. I want you to know that no matter what, I'll always be with you. It's a promise.
Okay?
I have made my choice, and my choice is my life. Please don't separate us.
Naya Bolusia, I want to thank you for everything that you've been doing for Aboma and I. For the great hospitality you've shown us. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
But there is still one favor I would like to ask you. I don't know if I should proceed.
Go ahead. I'm listening.
Naya, I would love you to accompany us to our village. To help beg Aboma's father and Naiweke, so that they can forgive us. If at all there is anything that we've done, let them forgive us. We cannot stay exiled from our place. We have to go back. Please, Nai, I need you to help us.
Nani, please. Please.
No. Stand. Just stand. I've heard all you said, Ogadi. And my daughter here has told me everything. And before now, I promised her that there's nothing she will ask of me that I won't do for her. I already gave my word that I will accompany you to your place.
Hey.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for Gadi and I. Thank you. You will definitely be rewarded.
What is happening to me? Why am I so restless? Iberime gave his daughter's hand in marriage to me, and I paid a huge sum on her head without even touching her, not even for a day. And all he could do was to come here and fight me. I can't take this anymore. It's either he gives me back my wife or my bride price. If not, heads must roll. Ibeneme will find out today. Ibeneme ipagon kona dofia, igano dia. Ipagon kona dofia, igano dia. Heads must roll today. We will find out who is the king of the jungle. Today!
Naiweke, you dey go for war?
Yes, Chinwe. Tell anyone that cares to listen that Nweke is taking a war to Ada's village. Ibeneme instigated this war against you. Now I am taking it back to him.
If I leave this war, then you live your life. I no want to make anything do you. You see those gifts and that money wey you always give me. Very, very important. Leave this one now.
You're stupid. Somebody must die. Somebody must die today.
Somebody must die. If it be you, go too soon. Cry no more.
Chiwa.
Sir?
Now I've seen that you've lost your mind.
Exactly.
Get out of my presence.
Hey.
I say leave here now. Useless girl.
Go too soon, no. Naiweke. Naiweke. Go too soon, no. Wow, this money when I want, make you give me today, he must give me. I go wait here. You go in peace, I come back in peace. I cover you with the blood of Jesus. You come back to give me the money in peace. Hey.
This is Weke's house.
Okay.
Hey. What are you doing here?
Hey!
Where is Weke?
You don't know? He carry one long gun. He say they go shoot your father.
Hey. Shimo! Let's go. That man is dead.
No, I think I know a shortcut. This way.
Okay.
I don't know what I get for this girl. They won't keep us. Yeah? I don't know. I'm waiting. What's that going to do now? Go. Shoot. husband.
Akunne, leave the way. You are not the target. Leave the way. Let me kill him once and for all.
Please. Nah, because don't kill my husband. Please, spare my husband.
Akunne, leave the way. You are not the target. Leave the way. Let me kill him once and for all.
Please.
Don't touch my gun. Settle what? Akunne, I said leave the way. Else I will shoot both of you. Did you remember we were friends when you brought the fight to my village? Akunne, I said leave the way.
Don't kill my husband because... Naiweke, please. Please, I beg you. Please, don't shoot my father, please. Please let him be. I'm the one you want. Please, I'm here now. Do to me whatever.
So, you finally showed up. Huh?
Please. My life is already shattered. As a result of what my father has put on Gani and I true. What am I living for? What am I living for? Let me just die instead. I know that it's my father that masterminded my death.
No, you're not going to die.
No.
You're not going to die. It's this evil man that is going to die. You will die. You will be the one to die. Now drop your guns. Drop your guns. You small boy, you dare challenge me to a fight? Huh? Drop the gun. Drop the gun, else I'll kill you and kill myself. Now, please, drop your guns, please. Please, do not beg him. Please, drop the gun, please. No, do not beg him. Go ahead and shoot. Shoot. Please. I am to die. Please. Drop the gun. Don't kill my daughter, please. Drop the gun. Why kill me instead? Just kill me instead, please. I'm begging you. I'll leave my daughter, please.
No, please. Kill me instead, please. Kill me. I'm the cause of it all. After all, if I did not go and borrow money from Weke, whom I thought was my own friend, all these things wouldn't be happening. Please kill me and kill my wife and my daughter, please. No.
For my sake and the sake of peace, drop these guns, please. Please, I beg of you, please. Please.
Marriage is beautiful when two people of like minds go into it. You can't force anybody into marriage because such a marriage will not last, no matter how hard you try to make it work. I know you all might be wondering who I am. My name is Agbalusha, a hunter from Achala. I met these two while I was hunting. I almost killed her because I thought she was an animal. And that is because you drove them into exile. But thank God that He didn't let it happen. I gave them solace by taking them to my village because I know how difficult it is to have a child and to also bring him on her to this level they are today. My late wife died while giving birth to my only daughter. And since then, I made a decision not to marry again. Ibeneme, take back your daughter and show her the fatherly love you once showed her when she was a child. Icheweke, you are a brave and courageous man, and at your age, you are still very handsome. Trust me, every woman will be glad to make you her husband. I beg you,
in the name of whatever you serve, I ask you to forgive and forget whatever grievances you must have harbored in your mind against them. Please, let these two be together. They cannot be separated because of how far they have come. Please, I beg you.
Stranger from Achala.
Sir.
Your words have indeed melted my heart. I wasn't really angry with Aboma Abinishi, but her father for giving me her hand in marriage without her proper approval. But in any case, my late wife was from your hometown, Achala. So it will be very unfair for me not to listen to you. Aboma, I forgive you. I hold nothing against you anymore. Go ahead and enjoy your union with this young man. May the gods be with you.
Thank you very much, Nai.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Hunter, I thank you so much. Thank you for your effort to bring about peace in my family again. Thank you. My friend, Nweke, I don't know where to start thanking you, but I'm so grateful. I appreciate the heart you have for me, to have forgiven me and these two children. Thank you so much. Thank you. And for your money, I will give you that money in a very short time.
It's okay. I forgive you. And as for the money, all things have passed away. Let's move on.
Nengweke, thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. We are grateful. Thank you.
Ogade.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
We thank the Lord. Ogade, you're indeed a brave young man who is willing to die for what he loves. I wish both of you well. And men like you are very rare.
Thank you, Nai. Thank you.
Agbocheremo,